Hey guys, today is Wednesday, third trading day of the week, and market had a huge sell-off, especially Nasdaq. At one point is down 3%. It bounced up a little bit just now, but it did touch 3% down at one point, right? And slightly more also. So let's jump in and I'll show you, because my portfolio had a couple of stop losses based on yesterday's swing trade, right? Let's jump in. So we are on my screen right now. Over here, I want to show you that based on NVIDIA hit a stop loss, which is normal, right? That, like I said yesterday, there could be two stop losses before you go on for a big profit. So this is one of those cases that I get stop loss 2 times, right? Okay. Microsoft also stop loss since yesterday, all due to Google, right? Google after yesterday trigger, it actually based on the news, right, it actually get down. But of course, it does happens. So I want to show you that not all the time the profit signal is profitable, right? There are losses as well, small losses in fact, because you can see over here GE, because of earnings, it gap up and hit my take profit, which will give me an earlier profit as well, right? The previous day when I show you. So it does happen. Earnings does sometimes is in our favor, in favor of the profit signal. Sometimes it's not in favor of the profit signal. In this case, this is not in favor. But 2 days ago, I show you GE, which is the earnings was in favor of the move that we trade, right? Okay. Basically overall, Meta went down also, but it didn't hit my stop loss. Oracle also came down a little bit, but generally everything still looks quite okay. In fact, triple M company, 3M company, right, is still holding up quite nicely, right? So over here, I just want to show you the kind of losses, right, for this account, right? So because of Google gap, the losses were slightly bigger, right? By right, it was about $40, right? So this is about $60. Because of the gap, right, which I showed you earlier. Microsoft went down as per normal, hit the stop loss, didn't gap at all. So this is roughly added up, these two added up is roughly about $30 of loss. NVIDIA is a loss of about $40, right? Okay, so close 30 plus, right? 30 plus, close to 40, right? If I'm not wrong, 10, 20, 30. Yeah, 40, 42, somewhere around there. But overall, so it brought my portfolio down, right? Because of these losses, right? 3 trade losses: Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Google, right? So overall, the losses over here brought down my portfolio by about 2%, right? Okay, so I'm down about $100, 100 plus a little bit, including the running profit and loss, right? Okay, so based on my balance is roughly less than 2% loss, but factoring this running profit and loss based on my open positions, right, this is like slightly more than 2% loss on my portfolio, right? Okay, so definitely I'll be looking to do better, right? And looking for triggers. Of course, this is because of the market being sold off, right? The market is being sold off quite a lot. If I were to look at my favorites, you can see over here, Nasdaq is back down 3%, right? Okay, just now it was just bouncing up a little bit, but we can see this is a huge long move over here, right? And the profit signal did trigger earlier on the indices also, right? Okay, but it didn't work out, right? Like this part, it also didn't work out, right? But the subsequent one also worked out pretty well. These ones are the ones that work pretty well, right? So there are times that it doesn't work well, like over here it worked well, and then it didn't work well, then it worked well, then didn't work well, then worked well again, then didn't work well. But overall, because one winning trade can easily cover one losing trades, one winning trade can easily cover 2 losing trades. So I'm not too worried. Overall, I just have to make sure like every 2 losses I have 1 win is good enough, right? Okay, but because of the market going very bearish today, it hit 3 of my stop losses, so my portfolio is down a little bit, but I'm quite confident that as we go along with trading this profit signal, I'll be able to make them back and still overall make a consistent overall profit, right? Okay, so stay tuned and I'll update you more. Regarding the index, I think it's in correction mode. In terms of manual trading on my own personal account, I'll be more cautious. In fact, I will take some positions out of the market as well and wait out for the correction to be over. In fact, this might be the start of a correction, so I might even look for some short sell trades to go along with it, right? Overall, I think the selling is not over, even though it's really sell off. Maybe tomorrow will bounce out a little bit, but I still feel like it will continue to sell off for the next 1 or 2 weeks, right? Okay, at least, right? So that's my insight. Hopefully my insight sharing with you, you are more prepared to face and trade the market, and hopefully you are doing pretty well, right? That's all from me, and I'll update you in my next video. See you soon.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.